I get by with a little help from my friends. Might have got you.
That shit lingers.
Nice one.
Hey, you know, I think that's good enough for now. So, I just paddled all day in the rain. All I got is this rashy on I'm borderline hypothermic. Anyways, I'm just gonna go find a place to land on the beach and call her a night. Yeah, so I was so cold and miserable, and my hands freezing. Well, not freezing because it's not below zero out here, but as you can see, they're a little bit withered for the day. I can barely move them, and I was worried that I wouldn't be able to start a fire. Anyways, check what I have found. The lights have shone through and saved my sorry soul. Shelter for the night! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I have a bed to sleep in! Check this out! BED! Sunlight roof! Little awesome yurt! I'm happy. Happy once again. I was miserable. Try not to show it on camera, but look at those withered hands. I can barely function. I don't think I could use a lighter. Thank you for being here.